As we have gathered here today to bless the land, the project, and the future success of the Toyota Lexus dealership, we'd also like to take this time to thank the community for the support over the last 55 years in the CNMI. It's been an honor to serve everyone in the community, and we're taking an even bolder step here to put deeper roots into the Northern Mariana Islands.
As environmental concern is one of our 4 pillars that we conduct responsible business, and also important to our company that the facility be environmentally friendly, so we include features such as rainwater harvesting, solar panel for energy offsetting, and low noise generating equipment.
One thing I would like to focus on your investment and commitment to the CNMI once again. AK has been on Saipan for over 55 years. And with your new state-of-the-art building, we are thankful for your continued commitment to our community and to our economy.
All together on 3, 2, 1, Viva AK! Viva Mariana! AK Saipan!
As we turn the soil today, let's look positively at the future and continue to work together to build up the CNMI for generations to come. Thank you very much.